Okay. Hi friends, you all do know my name is Manikanta, but all of my peer group, my friend circle, my closest buddies do call me Macha or Mani. Yes, I wasn't with all of you guys from the very first year you have stepped into CBIT. I've joined you guys in my second semester, in the first semester of my second year. So I happened to be a college transfer guy from Vidyaniketan Tirupati. It was a very reputed college run by Mr. Mohan Babu and all.
Craziest thing you have ever done?
With the very first step I made into CBIT, I was a very reserved guy. I didn't have much to share about my personal life or my views or my opinions and stuff. After getting into CBIT, I made a good circle of friends, not many but a few, whom I do love very much and I care about them. So they taught me many things. One guy or one specific thing, one specific thing did not teach me anything. It's a group of people and group of experiences here taught me many things in my life.
Inspiration?
Inspiration. I think my dad is my inspiration. He is from a very middle class family and he emerged out to be one among the top policemen that has served this state, and he had earned a very good reputation of being honest and many things. So my dad is my inspiration.
If you could have lunch with two people, who would you choose?
I always prefer my girlfriend whenever I think of having lunch, not to name her. The second person could be, I love Anushka Sharma more. So I think at least a time spent for 5 minutes with her could mean me a lot.
Any message
So, two lines I would like to tell any guy who are of our age. So we guys are very good dreamers. We always strive to achieve something in our life. So not every country in this world has one thing that India has. India is the only country that has 3 states of people: upper class, middle class, lower class. Not any country in this world has these 3 classes. All they have is upper class and lower class. A guy, to enrich himself, to develop himself from a lower class to middle class, it's not a tough task. One guy in a family gets a good job, he shifts his whole family status from a lower class to middle class. But most of the people in this country are in the middle class but not in the upper class. A guy, to earn his status from middle class to upper class, he has to work a lot. He needs to spare the shit out of his ass. He has to work so fucking hard. So that's my point. We might be getting a job, a degree, a bit of reputation by the time we step out of this college, but that does not mean the end of the world. In order to earn a status to your mom, dad sitting right back at your home, to your personal conscience, you need to work really, really hard. You need to work really, really smart to get into the upper class stage. Once you get into upper class stage, what all work you have put in, that doesn't remind you a bit. So all I tell you is, from the very first step you step out of CBIT or out of your professional courses, all you have to do is remember what you are, why you started the thing you are doing now, what is your ultimate goal in your life. So with that conscience, if you keep stepping every step, so in very short period of time you'll reach peaks, and all of us here will be proud to tell, I once studied with that guy. So that is the thing I want from all of us here. That's all.
What have you learned from CBIT?
Okay. What did CBIT teach me? I just say one thing. It made me know who I am, from whom I was. It made me learn. It made me explore myself. It made me build up my own dreams. It made me realize what I should be from what I am now. Regrets, I don't call it a regret. I've done a few mistakes. I was overconfident over a few things, which in fact have created a very small ripple in my life, but I'm pretty sure I will overcome them. Okay, all the very best. I hope we all see us, not in face, but on telecommunications and papers. We all should be that reputed. All the very best. I hope you guys see me on paper someday for a good cause. Bye.